Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, boss and coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Oh! Why you do it, John Crow?
Boom! But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, see you Wagwan now. So, a young man sharing a story having caught COVID and recovered from COVID. You know what I mean? And this affect all of the man them still. Want to hear on the feedback? After him sharing the story, I'm going to also share my thoughts on the whole matter still. You know? So, without further ado, make we get right into the video because this is a serious thing. Alright? Let's go.
Hi Jamaica, this is Craig Powell, COVID survivor, and I want to let you guys know since I've gotten COVID, I no longer get the morning wood. Since I was 10 years old, my penis would become erect in the morning every day since then, and since I've gotten COVID, that has stopped happening. Since the second time, I no longer get that, for the past 3 weeks, which is very concerning to me, of course. And I also, don't last as long. So I am definitely suffering from erectile dysfunction at 25 years old, and it was never a problem before. And I want to share this with you guys because, even though it's deeply private and a personal thing, I thought it'd be better because I want people to get the vaccine so they know the real consequences of this COVID thing. I was talking to someone and he said to me he doesn't want to take the vaccine because he's afraid of fertility. And I said, look, listen here, if you get COVID, you can die and you definitely won't have any children. Or you can be like me and your body don't stand up. And, that way you're not getting children either. So COVID can take away your ability to enjoy certain stuff, and it has taken away my ability to perform as a man, which is really rough. So despite everything else, I could have died, all that, but right now that's not working. So I'm looking to all men and to women to get the message out that this thing is real, and Dr. Tufton was right. And this is a big consequence to Jamaica, and we don't want this to happen to us. So please get the vaccine. Please, I beg you.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
Peeps, when you hear that, for enough people, this may be funny and thing, but hear my thoughts on the whole matter. COVID, or the big C as I'm gonna call it, affect different people differently. For some might have lungs problem for the rest of your life, some people tight chest, some people dead, some people no feel no symptoms at all, and so, and in his situation himself him lost him mojo, pretty much that's what it is, for him something dead. But may I also hear some people say the big C now cause that. You know what I mean? If you're a 25-year-old man still, I don't know. That kinda rough still. So you must say you have erectile dysfunction right now. If you're a 25-year-old man. I first never hear something about that, a case about that regarding the big C. Say when a man catch it, that reach him and thing. Me never hear about that ever before. You know what I mean? First time I ever hear about something about that. Me hear about everything else. You know what I mean? Me hear say it cut a man sperm count. You know what I mean? And we just a whole a reason as man and man right so. You know what I mean? Me hear say cut man sperm count still. You know what I mean? But me never yet really hear about it have no effect on man. When a man something to get up still. You sure say are the big C cause that? You sure, brother? You know what I mean? You can go take a blue pill still, you know what I mean? Me no know still. Me not go draw no card still. And so, but that look away still. Me never yet hear about that still, cause that look up some stuff today and me hear say it does not affect that. But who am I? As them say it affect everybody differently. At first me ever hear about that, me know about the sperm count. Say cut down on that. You know what I mean? 6 times or stuff like that. But here my thing is, peeps. If you can get vaccinated, just get the vaccine. And just done. Deal with what you have to deal with, because guess what? We want to get back there, we want to normalize things right now. You know what I mean? Me that go get my weight. Wife is a must wait on her, so yeah, that me wait on. Better protected more than anything, you know. Brother, that rough. I don't know what to tell you, but you know what I mean. There's a way around everything still. You know what I mean. Medicine reach a place right now. You can fix up certain things, a lot of things, and I just hope everything sort out for you, brother. But everybody else, get vaccinated. If you're afraid or worried about the vaccine, just do your research, ask a doctor. You know what I mean? Ask a doctor, do your research about the vaccine and what it does to the body and what are the side effects, and find out information before you draw on the line and say, oh my god, it'll do this and it'll do that, and all them things ain't no good, and you know. But make sure your source where you're getting it from is definitely legit. So yeah, short vlog to the peeps. Late upload, yes, but me still put in the work. I try to stay consistent for now and thing. Big up on yourself. Just want to talk about this one topic because it's serious and thing, you know. So yeah, we're there. And let me just know your thought on the whole matter. Comment down below. Talk to me and let me know what you think.
Ladies, no matter how much degree you have, how much diploma you have, how much car you have, how much house you have, no man still go left for no. For a girl like me, we have all their birth certificates.
Mom, slam on the brakes.
Yeah man, big up on yourself. Hope you enjoy that video with a serious topic here. As I tell you, just comment down below. Let me know what you think about the whole matter. Yo, one mackerel not easy, now she can chat, so say she sample. But anyway, peeps, we just keep the pot bubbling. Sorry for the short one today. That try to find some other thing, but never find nothing to, you know what I mean? All that still kinda late now is what? 5 past 8 PM in the night. But we still keep the pot bubbling. And yeah, I'll just go and do a thing. Shout outs to the whole people them who rock with me from day one. Yo, big up to Super Kev. Happy birthday, my brother. Sponsor and donator for Sinus Gaming and Sinus ENT. Big up yourself, Super Kev. Happy birthday, my big brother. God bless you. Big up yourself. I hope you enjoy the day. You know what I mean? Go up and do a live stream tonight and big you up, my brother. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, Super Kev. Yeah man, and we there, you see it. But for everybody else, love you guys, appreciate you guys, and just go on journey with your boy. Thank you very much for watching. Ashoo!
We'll find a queen, Jane.